We'll guide you through how to add multiple videos on an Instagram story. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've got multiple videos you wish to add onto your Instagram story. Perhaps you went out to an event and captured something cool. Come to your Instagram profile. Press the profile icon in the bottom right to go and do that, or the user icon. Next, go and press the plus in the top left, and you want to go down and you can go and press story. So now what you can do is you can go and press select, and you can start selecting the videos you want to do this with. Then you can go and press the arrow in the bottom right. But with this, you're going to go and find they just go and play sequentially. You can't go and have them playing at the same time. What we're going to need to do is we need to come out of Instagram and do this with another app. Open up the App Store. You can get this on the Play Store or the App Store. So press search and you can then go and find an app called CapCut. This is a video editor. You can go and use it for free though. So you can go and get it. I already have it. When you're here, you can then go and press new video like this. Now what you can do is you can go and select the videos you want to do this with, just like this. What you can do in the bottom right here is go and press collage. And what you can then do is go and choose between these different collages of how you may want to go and have them. So if that suits your needs, then great. Otherwise, we can go and do this sort of our own custom effect. So I'll press the cross in this case and press don't save. If you're not wanting to use a collage, then what you need to do is just go and have them added one, like so. Then you want to go and press add. At the bottom, you want to go and scroll along, find aspect ratio, and select 9:16. Make sure that you haven't got the clip selected when doing this and press the tick. There it is. Go and scroll along at the bottom again and find background. You can then choose between color, image, or blur. In this case, I'll go for color. Select the video in the timeline and scroll along to crop. And then what you can do is go and crop it. I want it to be a square, so I'll select that and then go and press tick like so. Then you can tap, hold, and drag to go and position it. Then you can press the back button in the bottom left a few times. And you want to find overlay. Then press add overlay and you can go and find the other video you want to do this with. Then you can go and add this in like so, position it to your liking. Then you can go and press add overlay again, and we can go and add in this one as well. It can be a good idea to make sure they all end at the same time. So for example, at the end here, tap on one of the clips, press split, then press delete. Press the next one down, press split and press delete. Then for the final one, I'll press split and I'll go and press delete. You can go and press export in the top right like so. Now we can come and return to Instagram, and we can go and press the plus in the top left, and we'll go and then go and open up the gallery in the bottom left and tap it. And here we are. Then you can go and press done. We can go and mute it if you want, add music, add further things, and then we can add it to our story.